we're diving into something super exciting, how you can turn your Canva skills into cash. Canva isn't just for creating pretty graphics, it's also a money-making machine if you know how to use it. Whether you're looking to start a little side hustle or dream of quitting that 9 to 5 and going full-time with your creativity, this video's for you. This one's a total game changer, and let me tell you why. Templates are hot commodities because they save people tons of time and effort. Think about it. Businesses, bloggers, and social media managers all need beautiful, ready-to-go designs that they can just tweak and post. That's where you come in. First things first, you've got to know what's in demand. Do a little research work, check out what's trending on Pinterest, Instagram, and Etsy. Are people crazy about Instagram story templates? Or maybe it's wedding invitations or business presentations. Once you've figured out what's hot, it's time to get creative. If you're the type who loves working one-on-one with clients, offering design services might be for you. Figure out what design services are in high demand. Is it social media graphics, maybe logos or brand kits? Take a look at job boards or check out what other freelancers are offering. The key is to find a niche that not only has demand, but also something you're passionate about. Next, it's time to show off your skills. Use Canva to create a portfolio that's clean, professional, and highlights your best work. Got a talent for teaching? Then why not turn your expertise into a course or tutorial? There's a huge market out there for online learning, and if you've got the skills, people are willing to pay to learn from you. First, you need to figure out what exactly you're going to teach. Is it the basics of Canva for newbies, advanced design techniques, or maybe a niche topic like creating eye-catching Instagram posts? Whatever it is, make sure it's something you know inside out and that there's demand for. Next up, we're talking digital products. Think ebooks, planners, digital stickers, and more. These products are awesome because once you create them, they can sell over and over again, making them a great source of passive income. Start by brainstorming what kind of digital products you want to create. What's popular in your niche? Maybe it's a planner for busy moms, a fitness guide, or a set of digital stickers for bullet journals. Whatever it is, make sure it's something that people actually want and that you enjoy creating. And that wraps up our guide on how to make money using Canva. I'd love to hear which method you're excited to try first, so drop a comment below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update.